Hey everyone. So I've pulled a card for you all out there today, and I've tuned in and asked, what do you need? What message do, no, sorry, I asked, what message do the abundance angels have for you today about money and abundance in your life? And this particular card came through, Power of Prayer. So it says, give this situation to God or the universe or whoever that you describe as, putting it out there, for uplifting and healing, and be open to miracles. Heaven's unlimited resources, love and answers are awaiting your prayers. Be sure to act upon the divine guidance God, universe gives to you in response to your prayers. So if you're struggling at the moment with money and paying your bills and whatever money issues and abundance issues you've got at the moment, just let it go, hand it over, say, I need help with this. I need you to help me. And, say whatever you've got to say in a little prayer to the universe for help, or your guides and angels, whoever, you believe in, and just hand it over. It's time to hand it over and ask for help. It's not a weakness if you ask for help, but this is the message for you today. Let me know in the comments if this has resonated. Make sure you like it and subscribe and hit the bell notification so you are told about upcoming videos and readings that I do. And I'll talk to you all soon. Bye.